22.1 is
the fittest man on earth. Every journey has a first step. Today, the entire CrossFit community will take the same one. Welcome to the 2022 Noble CrossFit Games Open. It all starts here.
22.1 is a triplet. In 15 minutes, complete as many rounds and reps as possible of 3 wall walks, 12 dumbbell snatches, and 15 box jump overs. Let the games begin.
Good morning. It's Saturday, 2 days after the CrossFit Open announcement for 22.1. So I've had my reaction to the wall walks. I think like everybody else that never wanted to see wall walks ever again in a workout. But the good thing is it's only 3 at a time and it's not ascending like it was last year. So I kind of made a plan. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna try to get 1 round every about 2 minutes just to try to keep a steady pace, and that should get me around 7.5, and then if I can push at the end, then I can get to 8 rounds. So we'll see. I'm about to head to the gym. Like, this is the only time that I can do this workout because work, I took off a few days this week for my birthday, and so I actually have to work today at like 9, so gym opens at 7:30, so I got 7 minutes to get there, start warming up, and then it's only a 15-minute workout. So I think that's what's great about this first workout. It's only 15 minutes, so it's digestible for just about everybody. But yeah, all right, let's go. Okay, got everything set up, got warmed up. I'll probably just go through like a practice round really quick, but here's this. Got my lines down. My handstand wall, or my wall walk, is going to be a little scaled, slightly more away from the wall. 35-pound dumbbell on the box. So a little bit more warm up, set up my clock, and then I'll be ready to go. Okay. Nice and easy.
You got it, girl.
gosh. That was harder than expected. I was right, the hardest part was the wall walks for me, but everything else was, I think, just as taxing. It was really like a shoulder burn, lung burn going on. I started with box jumps, but then that was putting me way behind my 2-minute mark. So I went back to step overs, but I think finishing my splits are about 2.5 minutes. I started slowing down in between rounds, taking lots of breaks. So yeah, my hair's sticking out. That one's done. I think I had 5 rounds plus 7 reps. Not what I wanted, but not working out this week and having beverages for 3 days for my birthday probably didn't help out a lot, but it's the first one, so I'll see how I stack up against the world. I think most people, probably if you went steady, most people are gonna get probably like 7 to 9 rounds on average, I think. I feel like if I just would have kept steady, I probably would have hit 6 or 7, but it was fun. Got up, got a workout in, now go back to work. Okay, so I'll say what I said outside again. I got 5 rounds and 7 reps of, so I got 3 wall walks and 4 dumbbell snatches. Yeah, it was harder than I thought. I think watching professional athletes do it first and making it look so easy, you're like, okay, the hardest part for me is going to be the wall walks, and it was. The hardest part was the wall walks. My shoulders are not as strong as my legs, so getting vertical. So getting vertical, that's not the hard part for me. It's like getting back out without like losing control, which I did several times. But yeah, I think the first round I tried to go slow, like I thought I was going slow. But then when I got to the end of the box jump overs, which turned into box step overs, like my heart rate just fell out of control. So I'll probably look at my Fitbit data to see how high my heart rate was. But I warmed up pretty good, did my stretches, rode the bike, did some resistant bands to kind of loosen up the shoulders. So my shoulders felt good, they're just not strong. So, and I was kind of surprised at how heavy the 35-pound weight felt. Like usually that's not a heavy weight for me, but I think 12 times 5 rounds, it got pretty hard. But yeah, overall, like I felt good. 5 rounds is probably the fitness level that I'm at right now. I'd like to be at, 7, 8 like I planned, but not there yet. So if I'm crazy enough, I might redo it on Monday to try to at least get like to that 6th round. I think I can do it. There was a few breaks that I took that were like probably like 10 to 15 seconds. So add those up, that I probably have like another minute of work I could have done. But yeah, did it. 22.1 done. I got my little board. It's probably backwards, but I might flip it or not. But yeah, first one's done. Got I think 2 to 3 workouts more to do, so we'll see. Gotta go work now. Actually, gotta put on my glasses so I can actually drive. There we go. Now, going home.